So just 2 days after BJP's victory in Bengal, the state is on the edge right after this late-night bloodbath that has been reported in Madhyam Kraman, which is said to be even less than 50 kilometers from Bangladesh border. Now, Shubhendu Adhikari's personal assistant, a front-runner for the CM post as far as Shubhendu Adhikari was concerned, his PA, his close aide, was riddled with bullets by two bike-borne assailants. Unidentified associates that were seemed to be traveling with him were also hit. As far as the driver of the car is concerned, he continues to remain in a critical condition. Sources say that a small car stopped in front of the SUV that was carrying Chandranath Rath, blocking the road, and then the bike-borne attackers opened fire on Shubhendu's PA. And what is being said that several rounds, at least 4 rounds that were fired, 3 bullets that hit him in the head, in the chest, and in the abdomen. The car, meanwhile, that has been seized, and that seems to be the developments as they have unfolded through the evening. We'll be getting you the updates. So the timeline is here, something that we're going to put out the details as far as what we have now known in this incident that seems to have been reported last night around 9:15 p.m. when the car carrying Adhikari's personal assistant was intercepted on the road. The investigators say that a small car blocked their road moments before. Armed men then arrived on a motorcycle and started to open fire. All of this seems to have happened in minutes. Shubhendu Adhikari's aide was rushed to a nearby hospital, but he was already declared dead. The driver of the car, meanwhile, has received critical injuries, and what is now being said that he's also been shifted to Apollo Hospital for treatment. Meanwhile, Shubhendu Adhikari's close aide, Chandranath Rath, his post-mortem is also taking place in a Barasat hospital. In this breaking update, what we are now learning, because this is on part of the investigative agencies, because in Bengal, the police are now examining the CCTV footage, the teams that have been set up to trace the assailants in the murder of Shubhendu's aide, and the West Bengal police are examining all possible angles where several teams that have also been formed to trace the assailants that are said to be part of this investigation into the killing of BJP leader Shubhendu Adhikari's close aide. Meanwhile, the teams of the CID that are also have reached when it comes to the crime spot. There are forensic teams as well who had reached there. The entire area, the crime scene that has been cordoned off, and this seems to be the developments that has taken place, because as far as Shubhendu Adhikari is concerned, he was shaken post this incident, but however said this was a pre-planned orchestrated murder that has taken place of his closest aide. So this seems to be the development as far as multiple teams that have also been formed on part of police's side, and the entire area that has now been cordoned off. The car which blocked Chandranath Rath's car, that has also been seized. What is being said that it had a fake registration, a number plate. All of that investigation that has also been taking place into the weapon apparently that was also used. A report suggests that it was a foreign-made weapon that may have been used when it comes to the killing of Chandranath Rath. Let's connect with Ridhita. Ridhita has been reporting from the crime scene. A lot of movement there that has been taking place since morning, and there you can see the crime scene which is now being completely cordoned off. Ridhita, over to you for the latest details.
Well, absolutely, the investigation point that you were highlighting about the arms that has been taken into account. Now, as per police sources, we get to understand it was one of the improvised arms. It could be the American Glock, all likely, that has been taken into record. Also, you see the cordon off area. So, in this entire area, about 8 CCTV footage that has been taken into record by the police. Till now, till late at night yesterday, we also get to understand that the shooter was used. He was a professional shooter, and therefore, it was his idea that Chandranath should not be missed. That was one of the deals that we get to understand ahead of time. So we understand that this person could be given a supari into the killing. What is the political identity, and why was this person in fact used to kill, and what motive, political motive, was behind this killing is yet to be given to understanding. But as per the investigation is concerned, the police has already taken in record of 8 CCTV footage of this area, and also the opening of the other area which is near to this colony, like 50 meters away from this colony as the gate enters from Madhyam Kraman. Those CCTV footages are also being investigated at this point. Also, another thing that we are getting in understanding that we are as of now joined by one of this person who was a key witness to that point. दादा, ये जब घटना घटी, आप क्या इधर स्थल में थे? आपको कैसे पता चला?
हम रात 10 से 10-20 बजे तक उस समय हम खिला रहे थे। स्टार डॉग को हम रोज खिला रहे थे। तभी 2-3 बाजी फूटने का आवाज आया, तो हमने ध्यान नहीं दिया। हमने जीता है, कहा बाजी फूटते क्या मालूम। उसी समय एक शख्स ने चिल्लाते चिल्लाते जा रहा था, 2 आदमी को गोली मार दिया गया, 2 आदमी को गोली मार दिया गया। तो हमने बोला कहाँ पर, बोला वो देखो गाड़ी के अंदर
तो
पड़ा है।
आपने देखा किसको गोली मार दिया? आप उस टाइम पहुंच चुके थे?
तब तक वो सब भाग चुके थे। हमने दौड़ के आया, देखा स्कॉर्पियो के सामने ब्लॉक किया है एक ऑल्टो कार, और वो ऑल्टो कार ब्लॉक किया है और
बॉडी
उनके
गिरा हुआ था उस टाइम?
है कार के अंदर। तो हमने वो ड्राइवर के सीट में जो बैठा था वो डर के मारे दरजा भी नहीं खोल रहा था। हमने बोला डरो मत, दरजा खोलो, हम देखता हूँ। तो दरजा जब खोल दिया, हमने देखा 2 आदमी पड़ा है, उनका खून निकल रहा था। हमने बोला
आप पहचानते थे वो चंद्रनाथ थे? आप पहचानते थे?
ना। तो उनको देखा, वो तब भी सांस ले रहे थे। हमने बोला जाओ, जल्दी से जाओ, हॉस्पिटल लेके जाओ, पहले बचाने की कोशिश करो। हमने पुलिस के
ड्राइवर को बोला?
ड्राइवर के सीट में जो थे, तो वो जल्दी से यही से कार घुमा के हॉस्पिटल लेके गए। हमने पुलिस को फोन किया, पुलिस पास से 10 मिनट के अंदर आ गया।
फिर गाड़ी कौन इधर से लेके गया?
कौन गाड़ी?
वो जो गाड़ी था स्कॉर्पियो, इधर से चला के कौन?
वो तो चंद्रनाथ रथ का जो कार के अंदर जो रो रहा था वही चला के लेके गया हॉस्पिटल।
ठीक है, कितना रन गोली चला पता है कुछ?
ना, 3 कारतूस यहाँ पर मिला है।
3
कारतूस मिला है, पुलिस जब्त कर लिया गया।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। So that was one of the primary witness of this area, Sushant Sharkar, who just spoke to us exclusively, stating that he had seen the body of Chandranath lying bleeding out here, and he was lying there. When he came, he also found the driver Buddhadev Bera, who was the driver. He was sitting inside, he was crying.
Injured. Chandranath Rath did not make it. Even before he could reach the hospital, he was declared dead. But there are not one but several other eyewitness accounts as well who have come out to talk about as far as the killing of the close aide of BJP leader Shubhendu Adhikari is concerned. And they have been speaking to Times Now, talking about how the entire attack unfolded before their eyes, describing the scenes from the point-blank firing on the victim's moving car. In the meantime, let's also talk about when it comes to the weapon there, because that seems to be another talking point as far as the big scoop that we are picking up. There is a possibility that it was a foreign-made pistol that was used in Chandranath Rath's murder case. Preliminary investigation suggests the possibility of an Austrian Glock pistol that may have been used as far as the killing of Chandranath Rath is concerned. And that seems to be the development on part of the weapon there. Was there one or other weapons that were also used? Because this seems to be on a close range, a point blank, that is what has been said, that multiple rounds were fired, and at least 3 of the bullets that seems to have hit Chandranath Rath, one in the head, one in the chest, and one in the abdomen. Let's connect with Shivam on this. Shivam, investigation that has been taking place. We are also picking up more details that are coming in on the possibility of the weapon that may have been used in this murder.
Well, exactly, Amita, and these are again the various aspects that the police authorities and the investigating authorities, even the CID is also looking into the matter. We have seen since the morning the CID team reached on the spot. The forensic team was there. They were, in detail analyzing the car that was used to block the car of the PA of Shubhendu Adhikari, and that is why we are currently seeing they were also having a conversation with the eyewitness in around. As Rijita was rightly mentioning, CCTV cameras footage become very important in this particular aspect, because remember what according to Shubhendu Adhikari also, these people were doing the recce. This is a pre-planned murder, so they were there according to the BJP allegation for 2-3 days now. So it's not just that the CCTV footages of yesterday are only being monetized. There have been footages of the day before yesterday and past days also, to understand the movement of these people and for how long they have been tracking this particular vehicle. Because again, the incident where it happened, we have seen since the last night, that is basically a choke point where you cannot, escape from any other route, and that is the only, that gives you a hint that the miscreants were aware about this entire situation, this entire area, and they exactly knew where to choke that particular car at a point where it can't take a U-turn or can't take any other route. So again, the initial, reports that are coming in suggest that again it was a very well-planned murder. They understood the entire area. They had the detailed, map of the entire area with them, and that is why the police is also looking into the entry and exit spot. While there have been reports that the number plate of the car was being was changed, the police is also looking into the tire marks, the details, the links of this particular car and the vehicle that is being used in this
So that has been
scenario.
seized on part
Also-
of the investigative authorities there. The team of the CID that has been deployed, we're looking at the top cops of Bengal who have already formed multiple teams as far as on the directions that are now being given across to actually get information on the assailants who were behind Chandranath Rath's murder. Now, who was Chandranath Rath? Let's give you a background because Shubhendu Adhikari's close aide, and he's been with him, working with him since 2021. He handled Shubhendu Adhikari's daily affairs. He oversaw his routine, his political schedule, all of this as far as being part of the very core team of Shubhendu Adhikari. And he was also a former serviceman, formerly also associated with the TMC, and he had joined the BJP alongside Shubhendu Adhikari back in 2020. So he's said to be in the core team, or was rather now in the core team of Shubhendu Adhikari. And as far as the political frontrunner is now concerned, we are now looking at these updates that are now coming in as far as the murder of Chandranath Rath is now concerned. Is there any other motive, and if any other messaging that the killers wanted to give? Because all of these factors are now being looked into the killing of Chandranath Rath.